back to a bit of everything. Today's video we're going to be unboxing the new Samsung Note 10 5G. Samsung recently released this in August last month, and yeah, let's get to it. Let's start unboxing it now. As we can see, we can rip this plastic off. I can say that the design of the box looks very nice, very appealing. I'm just going to rip off this thing. Just removing the tab. Samsung put this tab on really hard. There we go. Yeah. And as we can see, as we remove the box, we have the Note 10 Plus 5G. Right. And this phone, I can tell you, is massive for its kind. Alright. So what's inside the box? So just below the phone, as you can see, if we move out this tab, we have our Samsung Care just over there. Included inside the box, we have the charger. The Samsung Note 10 now comes with USB-C, and I think in this box over here we have an adapter for those who had the old Samsung. Yep, just over there. We have USB-C, and you can connect it with that USB port over there. Alright, included as well is we have the cord charging, as you can see there, and as well as headphones, AKG headphones right there. That is all. So the Note 10 Plus comes with a single nano SIM available on the top. And within the box we have the SIM ejector just over here. It carries up to 512, a maximum of 512 gigabytes of storage, and it weighs at only 168 grams. And as you can see, the glass that is used in the front and on the back is Gorilla Glass with an aluminium frame around. The phone as well itself is dust and waterproof for up to 1.5 meters for up to 30 minutes. The phone has 3 insane cameras, 2 12 megapixel cameras for telephotos and wide shots. And for those that don't know, telephotos are zoomed in photos, and it also has a 16 megapixel ultra wide lens as well. The camera itself allows you to record at 4K at 60 frames per second, and also the phone has a 10 megapixel selfie camera in the front. Just having a look at the phone itself, as you can see, on the top over here we have the SIM, where we place the SIM, and it looks like we have 2 mics just underneath there. On top of the bottom as well here, we have another mic and the speaker just over there, followed by the charging port right there. One thing I noticed with the camera as well, on the right side of the Samsung Note 10 Plus, there's no buttons, and on the left side we do have the power button here as well as the volume on there. Let's see if we can turn it on. So Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Alright. One thing I forgot to mention as well with this Samsung phone is just on the bottom we do have the S Pen. So we can remove this from here. It has a very nice blue color to it, metallic style. Alright. And as we can see, just as you start up any normal phone, it has the setting, set it up. There we are. Pretty much just tap all that. And yeah, let's move on next. And pretty much that's just how we set up the phone in terms of standard procedures. And yeah, of setting up the phone, we'll just skip this all for now. All right, setting up the internet, we'll skip that. We'll do it for later. And just want to fast forward. Hopefully we can. Give me a sec. Yep. We can do this later. I just want to get through it so we can see the features on the phone itself. Skip that, skip that, skip, and just finish that there. All right. As we can see, the design and the resolution of the phone itself is crystal clear. Looks really nice and looks amazing, actually. Yeah. We have the SIM ejector over here in this box. As I've opened it up, we can see that Samsung has given us a clear case for our Note 10 Plus. That's our case. You can slowly put it onto here. There we are. Small case like that. All right. Also included in the box, we have our quick start guide, just our manual on how to start up the phone. It's got all the details within it, our safety information as well, just there, and also our warranty card that's included. There we are. So that's pretty much everything that we have included in our box. Actually, we do have one more, just how to transfer content from your old phone into your new Samsung device. That is just a quick manual and a guide for that. All right. One thing I'd like to talk about is the use of the S Pen on the Note 10 Plus. So as we remove our pen, our device will give us a few widgets that we can use, our apps. We got ScreenWrite, live messaging, we can doodle. There are other apps as well that if we download that is compatible with the S Pen, it will pop up over here. We can also add some shortcuts. One thing I'd like to show you to remove this, by the way, is you just press the button off there. One thing I'd like to use in conjunction with the pen is the camera feature itself. So if you want to swap settings, as we can see, we have our button. If we press and swipe, we can swap to our video, our live focus video, super slow-mo, slow motion, oops, our slow motion, and our hyperlapse. So to do this, by pressing the button, if we press the button and swipe through each, so to do this, by pressing the button on the S Pen and swiping, we're able to swap through to the different settings. So if you'd like to take a video or a photo, you can do that here. Now, one thing I'd like to talk about is the camera itself. So if we go through here, we can see that we have wide angle lens. If we go through here, this is our normal camera, and we also have the macro over there. Oops. So with the macro itself, we can zoom in very wide, up to 10 times the amount. And here, as you can see, wide angle, normal, and ultra zoom. So another feature with the Samsung Note, with the video itself, is it enables you to also use all three cameras, as well as it has a stability feature included in it. So your videos or your film is less likely to be shaky. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys tune in for the next video.